With this session, we are going to discuss about Mendeleev's periodic table limitations. With the great achievements which got by the Mendeleev periodic table, there are certain limitations also which faced by the Mendeleev on his periodic table. Here with this session, we are discuss about such limitations. The first limitation of the Mendeleev periodic table was position of hydrogen. Could not assign the correct position of hydrogen on his periodic table because the properties of hydrogen resembles both with alkali metal and with halogen as well. Why? Because hydrogen is non-metal and also it's have only one electron in a cell. So such properties are resembled with halogen. But another side, the hydrogen is electropositive element. Due to this nature, the hydrogen resemble with alkali metal. So here the Mendeleev become failed to give justification about the position of hydrogen why he placed hydrogen in group 1. So it's become a limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table about the position of hydrogen where we need to put with the alkali metal or with the halogen. Now the second limitation, anomalous position of isotopes. Isotopes, what is isotopes? An element with the same atomic number but different atomic mass. Such elements are considered as isotopes of each other. For example, if I'll consider as the carbon. In the atmosphere, the carbon have three isotopes: carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. And what is the mean of carbon 12, 13 and 14? This 12, 13 and 14 is nothing but the different atomic mass with the same element. Carbon atomic number is 6 for all these three isotopes. Even you discuss about the carbon 12 or 13 or 14. So here with the same element, with the same atomic number, you have different atomic mass. And the Mendeleev's, in his periodic table, he said we can arrange all the elements in ascending order of the atomic mass. So according to this statement, we need to give place each and every isotopes of elements in periodic table. And there is a complete uncertainty about the how many isotopes have with one element. Some elements have two isotopes, some elements have three, some four, like that. So if we'll give place to each and every isotopes in periodic table, automatically the periodic table is get completely disturbed. The symmetry of the periodic table get completely disturbed by put the place the each and every isotope in periodic table. So that's why this become a biggest limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table. How we can arrange that all the elements on the basis of ascending order of atomic mass just because of anomalous position of isotopes. Now the third limitation, wrong order of atomic mass. There is some kind of the irregular pattern find out in the Mendeleev periodic table about the increasing order of atomic mass. Like you can see here in cobalt and nickel, this is also a wrong pattern. Here the nickel should become, if we'll follow the ascending order of atomic mass. Now in downside you can see the osmium and iridium. This is sequence is also get wrong. According to the pattern, if we'll follow the ascending order of atomic mass, so here the iridium should become before the osmium. So here Mendeleev failed to give the right justification why he put like that. Now The another limitation of the Mendeleev's periodic table was uncertainty in discovery of new elements. Mendeleev left that space for undiscovered element, but it is just of prediction of Mendeleev. And there is a difference between prediction and the facts. These elements which he predict they should be here in an atmosphere, it's completely uncertain. Does not fix such elements are there or not. So due to that, the Mendeleev become in a question mark about the uncertainty of the predict how many elements could be discovered between two elements. There is no any kind of the actual fact behind to find such elements are already exist in atmosphere or not. So here this uncertainty in discovery of new elements is become a limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table. Due to such kind of the limitations, there are we need to the scientists feel we need to renew or we need to revise that Mendeleev periodic table one more time. So with this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session.